Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called invitepay.org, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually go and make $500 while you sleep. And also, we're going to stay tuned right to the very end because we're going to show you some information that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join invitepay.org. So let's go over and do a full InvitePay review and find out exactly whether you can earn $500 in your sleep. So as you can see here, we've come onto the InvitePay website here, and as you can see, it says make $500 today from school, on the go, and also in your sleep. So we will be diving straight into the back of InvitePay very shortly and find out exactly how you're actually going to make this money and whether it is possible to actually make $500 today. Now it says here, obviously, you got a join bonus of $25, and I have actually joined. And I'll again stay tuned right to the very end because there's some anonymies that you're gonna want to know before you actually go and join, guys. It also says here you can earn $10 for every friend you invite and $40 for every survey. Before we go into it, let's go and dive a little bit more into it, but take you inside the website and show you how this is actually going to work. Okay, so as you can see here, it says here I got my $25 for signing up. It also says straight away your invite link here. So this is your invitation link, and you'll earn $1 when someone clicks, plus $10 if they sign up. Other things you can obviously earn as well. It says if you post on social media, you get $25 plus. So that's post on YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok to earn. And also you get a bonus here. So if you complete the bonuses and challenges below, you can earn up to $1,000 bonus. Okay, and it says check all the check marks below and claim your bonus, and this is for the first 1,000 people only. And it says you've had to invite 10 users, you have to do 10 tasks, and you obviously have to submit 10 posts. So what they're really trying to get you to do, guys, in this checklist as well, copy the link and begin sharing. Get your first click, get your first invite, submit your first post, complete a task, request your first cash out, get your first payment, and send your first payment proof. Now, talking of payment proofs, let's actually go over and just see whether they've got any payment proofs here. I'm sure they have. So if we go back to the home page, it says here payment proofs. So we click on that, and then we can just quickly scroll down here. So this one was paid 3rd of September, and if we carry on scrolling down, this was in August, beginning of August here, August the 1st. These are back to July, and we go back even further. These are June. Okay, May, and even as far back as April. Just make a note of some of those dates because we're going to be going through and showing you something that may actually prove that these are not what they say they are. Okay, we also get pop-ups every so often saying so-and-so's been paid X amount, etc. But again, you really want to ignore those slightly because again, this is possibly not what it seems. Okay, so how are you actually going to make this money? I've already found out here that most of it is all about sharing this opportunity, and that is where it becomes very, very tricky. And you certainly start getting red flags here, guys, because if you're going to earn $1 every time someone clicks on your link, they haven't actually got to do anything. They're just going to click on their link. Is this money coming from? You haven't got to actually pay anything to join. There's no upgrade membership. There's no real ads that are appearing on the site or anything like that. And also, if you come to my account here, as you can see here, my name is I've put in as test. You don't actually need to fill in an email address to actually get approved for an account. So all I put in was my name and a password and I got an account. So again, that's a little bit of a red flag. So I didn't have to verify my account or anything like that before I ended up getting my $25. Now you've got rewards here, and if you click on these, so this is a Visa reward, so it's a $25 Visa gift card reward, and it says here currently this product is out of stock. Okay, it says click on the Xbox One, currently out of stock. So if we scroll down a bit more, so if we do a Shell gift card, currently out of stock. What about Google Play? Currently out of stock. It's a bit of a theme going on here. Disney Plus, you've guessed it, out of stock. So even if you have got money in your account, how can you get it out? Now, so guys, this is another red flag. Obviously all their offers for some reason are out of stock, and it's got no offers here that actually say that you're going to get paid in PayPal cash or anything like that. So you know, that could be a little bit difficult. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Let's go across to a site called who.is. So if we put in the domain name, if we bring that up, as you can see here, it's actually got a date of where the actual domain name was actually registered. Now it was registered back in August the 16th, okay, and then updated again August the 21st. That's probably when the site actually went live. That's only about a month ago, okay. So straight away when we went and visited the payment proofs, we have ones dating back to January. So certainly the ones July or beginning of August, July, June, May, all those ones are fictitious. In fact, they're all fictitious because the site wasn't even launched then. It was launched in August, about a month ago. And again, as you can see here, this is saying it's paid through Vimeo. Now there isn't any option to get cash out. So again, is this true? I think this again is a fictitious amount. They're just popping it up just to get you to obviously try and get a big amount to actually cash out yourself. So I definitely would say to anybody thinking of joining InvitePay, it's not going to pay out, guys. I've seen these companies over and over again. Anybody that is offering you $25 just to post on Facebook is not going to actually be showing, paying you out. These are too higher figures, and they've got no money coming in anywhere. So there's definitely somewhere that you're never ever going to be paid out. If we go across to a site called Trustpilot, they've had 57 reviews so far, and although it says 49% of them are excellent, there are loads that are bad. Also, the actual profile on Trustpilot hasn't been claimed by a company, and the website hasn't been verified. So again, those are red flags that you should certainly look at. So again, have a check through these and see what you think. But definitely, with certainly all these things going on, with the website only just launched, and they're saying that you've already earned money back, and they've got payment proofs which are fictitious. Obviously, we've proved that. So saying that you're going to earn $500 a day is not going to happen. If you want legit ways to earn money, then check out the video I've done at the end of this video, which is probably the best paying out site. But you're not going to get $30 from posting a survey. You maybe get a few cents to actually do a survey, maybe a couple of dollars max. Okay, so don't expect anything really that is offering this sort of money is generally going to be a fake, guys. It's as simple as that. Like I say, I've done quite a few, probably 20 or 30 different sites like this, which mirror this 100% in what they're giving away and how they work. So if you want to know more about what sites to avoid, then check out my playlist here about online scams to avoid. But definitely, I would stay well clear of InvitePay. and check out some of my legit sites coming up soon in the playlist on the end of this video. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.